Hey, Coach Patrick here, your nutrition coach and personal trainer here at Perform and Transform. And in today's nutrition challenge, we're going to be talking about the 80-20 rule. A lot of you have been asking me, hey Patrick, can I have a cheat meal? Today, I'm going to be showing you not only how you can have a cheat meal, but how you can do this and lose weight at the same time. So let's jump right in. All right, so can you have a cheat meal? Now, it depends, right? It depends. Are you currently seeing weight loss results? If you currently hit a plateau, you're not seeing results, you're not seeing your weight go down quick enough, then you probably don't want to have a cheat meal. Number two is, are you following the meal plan and the workout plan 100% during the week? If you're not following the meal plan, if you're not following the workout plan, then the cheat meal is only gonna throw you off track. And number three, are you okay with taking more time to reaching your weight loss goal? Remember, we want to accelerate your weight loss, and the fastest way to do that is by building automatic habits, automatic healthy habits, not only in your nutrition, but in your exercise. All right, so if you answered yes to all of these, then yes, then you can have a cheat meal. However, if you answered no, you're not seeing results, you're not following the nutrition plan, the workout plan during the week, you're not okay taking more time to lose weight, then this is probably not for you, all right? So what is the 80-20 rule? Very simple. The 80-20 rule is 80% of the time, you wanna be really, really good. So throughout the whole week, Monday to Friday, 100%. Every day you're doing your exercises. Every day you're sending me all your food pictures. Every single day you're following the workout plan, you're doing all your exercise videos, you're coming to the live sessions. And then 20% of the time, it's okay to have a few indulgences. It's okay to have a cheat meal as long as you're seeing results, right? You're paying us to get results. You're not paying here to have you're not paying us to have a cheat meal. All right, now if you have a cheat meal, how should you do it the right way so that you can still lose weight? Remember, the only way to lose weight is to be in a calorie deficit. So I'm going to be showing you what a calorie deficit is, and later on how you can continue to lose weight being in a calorie deficit and have a cheat meal at the same time. All right, so being in a calorie deficit, this is the only way to lose weight. Very simple. Two things. You want to burn more calories, you want to consume fewer calories. That's it. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It only can be transferred. And the only way it's transferred is by burning off the fat, transferring the energy from our fat and our belly into usable energy. All right. So if you want to lose 1 pound a week, 1 pound is roughly 3,500 calories, 3,500. So let's just say you're burning 2,000 calories. You're consuming 1,500 calories. That means there's going to be a net calories as 500. You multiply that by 7 days throughout the week, and you're in a calorie deficit of 3,500, aka 1 pound of fat. Well, Patrick, what if I don't want to lose 1 pound of fat? What if I want to lose 2 pounds of fat? Perfect, then we want to be in a more of a calorie deficit. What if you burn 2,500 calories? So ramping up your steps, ramping up your activity, burning more calories, working out more during the week, increasing your workout intensity. And then what if I consume fewer calories? What if I had portioned out all my food? What if I had all my veggies? What if I had lean protein, reduce the sauces, make sure I don't deep fry any of my food, make sure I meal prep everything. This is how we're gonna be consuming fewer calories. So what if you consumed 1,500 and you burned 2,500? That means every single day, you're gonna be in 1,000 calorie deficit. 1,000 calories times 7 days, then you're gonna be in a calorie deficit of 7,000 calories during the week, which is 2 pounds of fat. Now, you only wanna have a cheat meal only if you follow the meal plan during the week, you send me all your food pictures, you plan your cheat meals, and you do it in moderation. This is what you don't want. You don't want to have a cheat meal if you haven't done your exercises, you haven't followed the meal plan throughout the week. If you've plateaued in your weight loss, then we gotta push even harder to get you in a calorie deficit. You don't wanna have a cheat meal out of peer pressure or just because you feel like it, or if you're stressed out and you're emotionally eating. This is what you don't want. Also, you don't want to have a cheat day. You don't want to have a cheat weekend. You don't want to have a cheat month or a cheat week or a cheat month, right? It's only a cheat meal. All right. So how can you have a cheat meal and still be in a calorie deficit? Very simple. So let's just say using this model, breakfast, you just skip breakfast. All right. Reduce the calories, sleep in during the weekend. All right. Lunch, right? Let's just say you're at dinner, you're planning to go out. Lunch, what do we lack when we're eating out most of the time? Vegetables. So have a big salad for lunch. And then what else are we missing when we're going out to eat? A lot of times it's lean protein, so just have a protein shake. So salad, virtually 0 calories. Protein shake is 1,000 calories. Now when you eat out on your cheat meal, you have 1,100 calories to burn, to consume, right? So it can be like pizza, spaghetti, fries and burgers, right? Whatever you want within the 1,000 calories, right? But what if you wanted to have your cheat meal during lunchtime? Even better. Again, skip breakfast, have your cheat meal during lunch, and then dinner, go easy. Have your salad, have your protein shake. All right. So challenge of the week this week is level number 1. You want to limit your cheat meal just one time during the week. Level number 2, when you have a cheat meal, you want to make sure that during the week you're doing your exercise plan, you're following the meal plan 100%. And then level 3 is to plan your cheat meal while maintaining a calorie deficit. All right. So I want you to let me know in the comments below, message me on your Trainerize app, what challenge you're going to be doing this week. Level 1, level 2, or level 3. All right, Transformers, thanks for allowing us to transform your life through fitness.